Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, fresh burrito tortillas right in your own kitchen. It's easier than you think, and the taste is far superior to store-bought options. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: all-purpose flour, salt, a good fat like lard or shortening, and warm water. Getting everything measured and ready beforehand ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Let's get started. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. First, combine your 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, cut in the 2 tablespoons of lard or shortening until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. Slowly pour in the 3/4 cup of warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough comes together. Next, turn it out onto a clean surface and knead for about 5 to 8 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your tortillas wonderfully pliable. After all that kneading, our dough needs a little break. Cover it with a clean cloth or plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. This resting period is crucial because it allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll out later. Once rested, divide your dough into 8 equal portions, each weighing approximately 2 ounces. Roll each portion into a smooth, tight ball, preparing them for the next step. Finally, it's time to transform these dough balls into beautiful tortillas. On a lightly floured surface, roll each ball into a 7 to 8-inch circle. The thinner, the better for a true burrito tortilla. Heat an ungreased cast iron skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. Cook each tortilla for about 30 seconds per side, or until you see small bubbles and light brown spots. Stack them up, keep them warm, and enjoy your fresh, homemade burrito tortillas.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.